Hello and good morning. This is Traders Club 24. My name is Christian. So welcome to Thursday, the 15th of December. And today is going to be the last day that we are going to show you this video of the SwissBox stock opening. Because tomorrow we do have many market news coming out on Friday. There's also a triple rich day for the German DAX, and as you know, next week it's closed. It's getting closer to Christmas, and we've decided to cut it off for this year. Before I'm going to place the SwissBox here into the chart of the FTSE, I want to show you something because I did that trade yesterday. However, and I have to apologize for that, I forgot to press the record button. So yesterday, within the first hour, we had a nice box of 15 points, and our first trade triggered our sell stop order, and we got short. However, the first impulse wasn't strong enough to reach our take profit, so the market came back first time. Then it changed direction again. We went short, and when this candle happened, approximately an hour later, I got out break even because I didn't want to hold the trade into the noon session, into afternoon, and obviously not before the Fed was making its decision to finally, I gotta say, raise the interest rates. So we got out break even, no harm done. Okay, so yesterday's Fed decision failed to give us any further direction for the trading day, and as you can see here in the box on my MetaTrader demo account, that we are currently trading within a range of the first hour between 8 a.m. CET and currently 8:46 a.m. CET of 11 points. So that's a nice box. However, if you change the time frame, you'll see that you are trading within a couple of inside bars from the previous last hours. However, that shouldn't stop us to trade the SwissBox opening. I'm going to adjust my lines. I'm going to place a buy entry on the top at the level of 6,955 points here in the FTSE, and that's actually a nice support here on the downside, and I'm going to place a sell entry line at 6,943, or let me adjust this quickly. I don't want to be rushed into that trade before 9 a.m. CET. So once that happens, I'm going to activate this order, and we are going to adjust our risk of the first position as well, which is always around 0.10, 0.11% of our account balance, meaning once the trade has reached our take profit, that's the credit of our account balance, so equally 0.11, 0.10%. Before I forget, we do have a couple of very important market news coming out today as well. At 9:30, it's the SNB, so the Swiss interest rate decision. There's also the Bank of England minutes at 1 p.m. We do have a couple of American market news coming out, consumer price index, and initial job claims, all at 2:30. And lastly, it's Bank of Canada Governor Pollers speaking later today. So, but before that happens, we should be out of our trade as always. So I'm going to adjust this slightly a bit down, and I'm going to activate this trade, and I'll be back with the market opening in approximately 11 minutes. Just a quick update from my side. As you can see here in the chart, I've adjusted the box slightly to have a smaller box, and so let me adjust the position size, the take profit as well. So we are now 0.10, and I'm going to activate this order. The market is going to open in 4 minutes, and I'll be back with that. So 9 a.m. CET, and our sell line or sell order has been triggered. We are now short in the market with our first trade. Position size is 4 mini lots, and our take profit is at 6,929 points. So 3 minutes past 9, and we had a nice first move here in the FTSE. Our take profit is at 6,920 or 6,930 points. So we need just 6 more points to get out of the trade. 11 minutes past 9, and you can see that the market has changed, and we are now more or less break even at our point of entry. So let's see what the next couple minutes will be. Change of direction, and we are now in our second trade, long, and you can see that our take profit is on the upper side at 6,964 points. For those of you who haven't watched our introduction video to the SwissBox helper, our position size in the second trade has been tripled, and even though it has been tripled, once we are out here at this level, our account balance has gained a profit of 10%. It's 9:30, and we are in our third trade. The position size has been doubled in regards to the second trade, and our take profit is at a level of 6,928 points. So it's 8 minutes past 10 CET, and as you can see here on the chart, we just need 1-2 more points to get out of our last trade of this year. Okay, that's it. We are out of the trade, and I've drawn in the trades we made so far. First one, second one, third one. I'll go back to the M1 actually. Yeah, that's it for this year. Have a Merry Christmas, and I'll see you next year. Goodbye.